This landscape is super easy to draw, even for beginners. Select the monoline brush, and choose the color. I'm going to use only default brushes, so you guys don't have to worry about it. Then draw a circle, hold your line stroke, now click on the line again to adjust it, try to keep it in center. Use paint bucket to fill the color. Choose a light color. Create a clip layer on top of last layer. Start drawing some rocks, hills, etc. Just draw it randomly, we'll add details later. Don't forget to close the line stroke. Again, paint bucket this layer. Create one more clip layer on top of last layer, then choose a darker, saturated color, then draw some hills. Close the line, otherwise it fill the entire layer when we paint bucket this. Create a clip layer again, keep it on the top, select more darker and more saturated color, now draw one more hill and fill it again. Create a clip layer and repeat the process again, one last hill to go. Okay, we're done now. I think I need to change this layer color, let's make it more saturated. Select the first clip layer again, and color pick the second layer, then just move the color bar a little bit to the left, then fill it again. Let's move on. Now it's time to add details to all the layers we created. Draw random things like bushes, cactus, stones, house, etc. to make it look more alive. I'm going to fast forward this now. If you like my content, consider subscribing to my channel to get more content like this. Now it done. Create one more clip layer below the clip layers for the sun. Select bright yellow color, then draw a circle right here. It's a glitch here. create one more clip layer on top of it, for sun rays. Now, just apply blur filter here and lower the opacity. Now we will add little highlight to all layers. Merge all the clip layers, keep the sun and land layers separate. For the clouds, create a clip layer on the top and draw two clouds, then just erase the uneven base of the cloud. Now, lower the opacity of this layer. Draw some extra bumps on clouds if you want. To adjust the clouds, just use lasso tool, select transform option. Create a clip layer to add some smoke, lower its opacity as well. Draw some smokes on both sides and fill the color. Drag this layer below. Repeat the process again, on different clip layer. It's almost done now. Merge all the clip layers again, then create one normal layer below the main layer. Draw a black circle, adjust it, fill it, then use blur filter. Again. Draw a white circle, you can do it on separate layer too. Let's add some texture to the canvas. Just tap the white circle on the layer tab, and enable the texture option, then just select any texture you want. You can use the curve tool in the edit menu, to adjust the darkness and brightness of your drawings like this. And, you can also change the color of your drawings completely using color tool in edit menu. I'll go with default color. Thanks for watching.